Well, good afternoon. Markets have just closed, and we were up in everything today. We were up some in the December cotton, up 15 at 65.71, a high of 66.27, a low of 65.57. New old crop cotton, it got hit so hard on Thursday and Friday, was up about 114. It is first notice day, so that market's going to be pretty thin, but it did move back up. The grain markets were all up. Just a reminder, Friday is going to be the acreage report and the grain stocks report. And this could be a pretty important number. So the market, of course, is dealing with the weather and a evaluation of that. We'll be looking at the crop progress number that comes out this afternoon and talking about tomorrow morning. But it's possible if we get in terms of price, a favorable report on Friday, this market could be getting ready to move up in soybeans and corn again for maybe a good run to continue. So a lot's going to depend on this. These prices are pretty high in corn. You certainly want to look at some kind of protection even going into Friday if you don't have it. November soybeans up 5 1/4 at 9.32 3/4, a high of 9.35 3/4, a low of 9.24 1/2. December corn up 4 at 4.57 1/2, a high of 4.59 1/2. A low of 4.52 3/4. I noticed one technical analyst was projecting the possibility, just the possibility, of December corn extending toward $5 to 5 1/4. And obviously to do that, you're going to have some kind of a report coming out showing this crop is even smaller than people currently are projecting. September wheat up 12 1/4 at 5.43, high of 5.44 1/4, low of 5.26 1/4. Looking at the outside markets, we have crude oil down 6 cents a barrel. The dollar is down 17. Now, I've circled this. Pretty big moves here in gold and silver. Gold up $19 an ounce. Silver right now is up 11 cents an ounce. And the Dow Jones is up 20. Remember also, this is G20 meeting this week, and there is the possibility of some kind of news coming out of that. We don't think there'll be any kind of an agreement on a trade deal with China. But there always is a possible that they might come out of the meeting after a discussion and have an agreement to go back to the negotiating table and work hard to make a deal take place. And just some type of a favorable statement coming from that would be a boost to these markets also. That's it. Have a good evening. We'll talk to you first thing in the morning.